Today I want to show you how to use Stream Deck within Emotion LV1. I'm just going to remove some of these plugins, so I'm going to press and hold the Alt key down, right click the plugin, click Remove Plugin, just to get rid of all these. I would like to have a Waves 2 real-time plugin here. Now, to use a Stream Deck within Emotion LV1, you need a program called loopMIDI by Tobias Eriksson. This guy's legendary. Click on Software. Now click on loopMIDI to download the software. When you've downloaded it and installed it, the program, you right click on the icon and you click on Configure loopMIDI. So you can give it a name. And then you click on the plus icon and there's your new one there. But now I'm going to click on the delete button, remove selected port. And this is the one I've set up to use with my Emotion LV1. Now, basically you want to add in the control section on the setup page under System Inventory, click on MIDI. Now click on the gear icon down here and you want to choose your labeled MIDI device, so in this case Stream Deck. The channel I am using is 1 and I want to generate a program change. That's all I need to do there. On the show, with the scenes, I'll need to create 3. Before and after service, music, preaching, and I'll just create one for, say, key of A. Now, what I'd like to do is give all these 4 hot scenes. So hot scene 1, hot scene 2, hot scene 3, and hot scene 4. So now I'll go to Setup, and in UI Settings, I want to set these 4 to scenes, recall hot scene 1 to 4. Now on the Show tab, the only thing we haven't done here is turned on the MIDI. So with that MIDI button on, now when I go to my Stream Deck, we just set up something like this. So I've got before and after, music and talking, which is for preaching. So when I push those 4, hopefully now they will actually change. To set this up, I have a MIDI pack downloaded from the store, from Stream Deck. So that will be Elgato Marketplace. And you can search for plugins. And that looks like the one right there. So I want to get that. and install that, and then you'll have access to these. So basically, I want to drag a program change to here, and I'll call it key of A. Again, like I said earlier, channel 1 for my MIDI. I want it to be a push button, not a cycle. The program that I'm selecting for my before and after, I've got 0. Music is 1. Talking is 3. And this program change will be 4. So 1, 2, 3, actually it'll be 3. Because before and after is 0, music 1, talking 2. So I'll make key of A 3. So now basically, you select your MIDI output. It is not really important. Well, actually it probably is. So I select Stream Deck for that. And now all I need to do is cycle through these before and after, music, talking, and this new one, which is key of A. Now on the key of A, I've got my MIDI selected here. I want to deselect everything else here. And then I just want to go channel 1, plug in 2, and I want to remember, well, I want to set this to the key of, A major. And then I want to store that. And then you've got before and after, music and preaching. And the only thing this is going to do is change the key of Waves Tune Real Time to A major. So wherever it is, to A major. Before and after, music, announcements, key of A. So basically, this is how I set it up with my Stream Deck. So I can just press a button to do key changes for the auto tune, no auto tune at all with a single button, before and after, music, talking. And you can do pretty much anything you want with it. So that is how you connect a Stream Deck to Wirecast. Not Wirecast, Stream Deck. That is how you connect a Stream Deck to Emotion LV1.